Okay, I found it. The ring was here all the time. Happens to me all the time. So this is the ring who goes on the crankshaft, and you have to. This was lined up with this. It's an original one. So and the way you can see it, you can achieve the correct stance, because this or this is not good. It should be really on spot. It's in Dutch we say the BDP is top dead center. In English, TDC. So we have the special tool here, the Volkswagen tool. If you can see it, it's over here. And you can like slide it in and out. It has a mark where the arrows connect. It should be there. Should be perfect, and it slides in. This is another one, also for Volkswagen, but another engine. And it's also a kit, so you should have it if you're doing timing belts and stuff. If you have timing belts and stuff, you should use it. You just place it on the crankshaft sprocket on the timing belt side, and when the sprocket aligns with the marks, this piece is gonna slide in, shoop, like this. You will have to, it's possible that you have to be wiggling a bit to get it right in. Also, when you do timing belts, sometimes it's like a hair off. You have to wiggle a bit with the camshafts, but it's okay. So you can find top dead center really easy with this. Just take off the pulley. You see those bolts here. There should be 4. Ah, voila. Looks like a mess, but everything has a place here. So you take these bolts. It's a 6. It takes a hex, a 6, and you can just slide it off, and then you have this as a result, just enough to check out the timing. You could also use the tool here to check out the timing, but it's really rather difficult to get really on spot. You have to put in the little plastic tool. You can get it on eBay. It's not a big deal. The whole set, if you need it. This is a Gates one. Yep. You can see Pumpdoeze. Pumpdoeze. That's for the name for the special engine for the injectors who are driven by the camshaft. This is one of them, 1.9 TDI, one of the best they ever made. So with this kit will serve you for all those engines, and common rail also. So really handy tool for the tensioner and stuff. Those two, and some pins to lock the camshaft, lock other things. So yeah, we're gonna clean up, install everything, and get you back when I'm gonna mount the transmission. And here you can see also my safety bar, just in case something happens. But I left the engine at the oil pan. The corner of the oil pan is pretty strong, and you could also get a bar specially made for lifting engines. But yeah, sometimes you have to search for the engine hanging mount really bad. Now there's one available there, so I just collected like this. And you can lift it like over here, it's no problem. I've done it hundreds of times. It's always good, it's always good. Unless you would have an engine with a steel a steel oil pan who's really rusted, then I would suggest to lift the engine. Yep, that's it. We put in the new turbo hose, the orange one there, orange red. That's the most common failure with these TDIs. Loss of power from like easily 10-15 horsepower. And for the rest, it's a really good, easy engine to work on. Really satisfying, I would say. All right, catch you in the next one.